ITC is not available in GSTR 2A or 2B. Can we claim on self-assessment basis? Let's ask the audience. ITC is not available in 2A and 2B. Can we claim on self-assessment basis? बताइए sir. Can we claim ITC on self-assessment basis? Please answer. I would love to hear answers from everybody. Can I claim ITC on self-assessment basis if it is not available in 2 or 2B? Nehal Gandhi ji, no. Okay. Ashish Chaudhary ji, yes. Guruvel ji, no. Chabda ji, yes. See, so much confusion. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Particularly not above 5% of 2A. Rahul Batra ji, yes, yes. Kalakar Sahu ji, yes. I don't think so. Santosh ji is saying, I don't think. Sir, answer मुझे देख लीजिए, neutral हूँ मैं. Right? I am neutral. Yes, we, no, we. Okay. Entire GST itself. I hope you all are enjoying, right? Learning the provision. Satyanarayan ji is there with us. Yes, yes, no. Okay. Now let's stop. Let's stop. As per finance bill, Venkatesh ji is too advanced. Now let's see what does the government says. Document hona chahiye na sir. I will not speak from my side. Press release I thi. Press release is not a valid document. I understand, but a press release came. Press release is a release, right? It is a statement given by the government in press, in the media. 18th October 2018. It states, it is clarified. Clarification hai. It is clarified that the furnishing of outward details in GSTR 1 by the corresponding suppliers and the facility to view the same in GSTR 2A. Facility to view the same in GSTR 2A by the recipient is in the nature of taxpayer facilitation. Facilitation, but this belongs to 2018. Sir, आज का बताइए ना, बता रहा हूँ, but let me give the background, right? Background is very important. So on 18th October, the government themselves said it is a nature of taxpayer facilitation. And this statement, you will love it. Are you now noting down what all to be written in the reply to the notices? So at the end of the question, I will not answer, right? These are the answers to your question. Notice का reply कैसे करना है? And does not impact the ability of the taxpayer to avail ITC on self-assessment basis in consonance with the provision of Section 16 of the Act. Section 16 of the Act. Unfortunately, they made this statement. Press release download कर लीजिएगा sir. 18th October 2018. They themselves said GSTR 2 is only in the nature of taxpayer facilitation and does not impact the ability of the taxpayer to avail ITC on self-assessment basis in consonance with the provision of Section 16. So conclusion क्या निकल के आया? Section 16, if you follow ITC, you can claim. But this belongs to 2018. Further, what happened? 21st May 2019, our reputed institute, our lovable institute, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, handbook was issued by ICI. What it said? It says the department may automatically issue notices. Please note down. The department may automatically issue notices, letters to the registered person saying that excess credit has been availed. DRC के जो notices आ रहे हैं, right? Divya ji, there is issue with video. Divya ji, everything is fine from our side. Please refresh your screen. Or seeking information, why value in this clause is negative? GSTR 9. GSTR 9 mein why it is negative? So these are the documents you have to have along with you. The copy of invoice, it should comply with all the conditions stated in Rule 46. The date of payment of consideration are the primary documents. Evidences, ICI is saying, evidences to be safeguarded by the taxpayer in a case where value in clause D of serial number 8 is negative, GSTR 9, due to failure on the part of supplier to upload information. Rest of the GSTR 9 we will not discuss today. We will discuss only with respect to ITC, right? So with respect to ITC, whatever notices are coming up, I have already given you what to write in the reply. Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have. And it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional in making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. you can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of already many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Just skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.